Welcome to another ABS online video. Let's go and find out what we're going to learn today. Hello everyone, it's already week 28. No more special E. Oh no, I really like the special E. It's so helpful. It's my favourite. It is a strange sound this week. I think it might be the strangest sound. Maybe. We did have QU to make k, w, qu. That was really strange. This is another strange sound. What is it? Well, the words end with an E. So we still have the special E. Dear, even I'm getting a bit confused. We said no more special E, but the words end with an E. Oh dear. No, this time the E just makes no sound. Oh, so we need the E, it's very important, but it doesn't make any sound. And it doesn't really give its energy to its friend. That sounds a bit lazy this time. But he does a lot of work on all the other words. Oh dear. Okay. What is the sound? Let's find out. This week we will look at the J sound. J. J. Okay. J. Is it made with a J? No, it is made with a GE. What? Okay, right, we've got to remember GE makes J. J. Right. Some new words? Always some new words, but not so many words this time. I think some are very new for you. Oh dear. Right, we've got the special E that's not really a special E. We've got the J sound that is made with GE. And some of the words are very new. Oh dear. Yeah, well, we are doing this now because you are a superstar. We think we can do it. So can we see some words? Just one. Now we've got the J there and it does make a J, but the J at the end of the word is made in a different way. Here's a word. Let's see. Edge. Edge. Well, the D doesn't do anything either. So this word is edge. Edge, edge, edge. What does that mean? Okay, that's going to help. When you get to the end of something, just before you fall off. So the man is standing on the edge of the mountain. If he goes any further, he's going to fall off. He is on the edge of the mountain. Definitions. I like using those. They help a lot. I think we will have to use definitions this week. Yep, they help a lot. A lot of thinking this week. New words, strange sound. See you soon. Let's go and say hello to our final two friends. Here they are. They want to say thank you. See you next time. Bye. Thank you for watching our video today. Please don't forget, subscribe, and that will help us to make lots more videos for you. Thank you. Bye.